All right, it's that time again. You guys ready to see what I'm made of? Along for the ride tonight, who are two people that love to give me a hard time. Food Network's Sonny Anderson and Ted Allen.
Gauntlet thrown.
Have you guys ever teamed up together?
Yeah, Bobby.
Yes, we have.
We beat you already,
No, you
Brad.
didn't.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did.
Steak and eggs.
Steak and eggs, baby.
Oh,
and it's
Bob.
gonna happen again.
You surprised?
Very.
Oh, because you special, so special, so special.
When you bring your sparkly blue eyeshadow on, I get nervous.
I'm just trying to match his pearly blue eyes. Shall we bring out our chefs? You ready, Bobby?
Bring them on.
Our first contender is a friend of yours, and tonight he flew across the country to kick your butt. Executive Chef Stephen Kalt.
His life. Our next contender is a master of Italian, and he's here to make the state of New Jersey proud. Executive Chef Brad Spence.
What's up, guys?
What up?
Like that entrance, both you guys.
In your honor.
Thanks. What's your goal tonight?
To beat you. Get past him first.
Exactly. I'm gonna let you guys wear each other out.
Like a bullfight.
You'll have 20 minutes and an ingredient of my choice, and you must make it the star of your dish. And that ingredient is coconut milk. What do you think of this, Stephen?
I like coconut milk, usually for finishing. Hard to make the center.
Exactly. You good, Brad?
I'm thinking.
Think quickly. These guys will taste your dishes, and they'll decide which one of you goes up against me in round 2. 20 minutes on the clock. Pina colada, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, Stephen has red curry paste.
I am making a Thai coconut milk soup with red curry pork, eggplant, and basil.
What can I do here? What can I do? My style of cooking is very simple, straightforward. I am making coconut-poached shrimp with coconut crema and coconut vinaigrette.
This is a very simple dish.
Simplicity, man. That's what Italian food's all about.
All right, y'all get some noise to my man Brad over here.
Now I'm going to add the fresh tomato to bring that kind of sweet acidity, and then I add the coconut milk.
What's going on over here, man?
I like your eyes.
Thank you. I do it for Bobby because he likes color. Can I taste this?
You may.
Hey, Sonny, how's it taste?
Ooh, wee. Ooh, that's deliciousness. You want some?
Yeah, can you bring me a little bit?
See you later, chef.
There's 3.5 minutes left, you guys.
Oh, thank you very much. How's this coming along?
Look at you with your gentle sips.
That's beautiful.
I plate the sauce, the beautiful shrimp, then the salad, and then I make vinaigrette with coconut milk, olive oil, and a dash of vinegar.
20 seconds.
Ouch. I throw basil right into the soup.
10.
I ladle soup into each bowl.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're here to win.
And it's all gonna come down to what you did to make the coconut milk the star of your dish. Chef Brad, please tell us what you made.
Coconut-poached shrimp with coconut crema and coconut vinaigrette.
Creamy deliciousness. Everything is right. Right bread, right sauce, right texture, and coconutty. You know, never have I ever, I think, had raw squash. But the texture to me is quite like a pear. In my mind, it tastes like a pear. The only note that I do have is the sauce. It's so much. I wonder if it would have been good just drizzled somewhere instead of a whole bowl.
Any concern anybody had about the texture of that crema are out the window. It's perfectly smooth. The shrimp is beautifully cooked, but I don't know that I perceive coconut milk flavor in the shrimp. I find the salad you made with the apple and the squash a needed bright note, but I don't know that coconut milk is the star of this dish. Chef Stephen, please tell us what you made.
Thai coconut soup with red curry pork, eggplant, and basil.
It's rich, but it manages to taste of coconut milk. I think between the coconut milk and the aromatics, you were able to achieve deep flavor in a very short period of time in a soup. That's hard to do. On the downside, I feel like there's a slightly oily quality to it.
Even first, I just think it's really pretty to the eyes. It's colorful. There's so much going on. The mushroom, the bits of pork. Yeah, it's a little bit greasy, but it's delicious. I also love the eggplant and the basil in there. Bobby, you don't have any Thai basil back there for the chefs? Force them to use just regular old basil?
He's not talking.
Well, Brad used the coconut milk in 3 ways, while Stephen used it in 1 central way. I've seen both strategies work with the judges, so we'll see what happens.
The chef who will be moving forward to beat Bobby Flay is Chef Stephen.
I'm bummed I can't go against Bobby. When I go back to Jersey, I will be ridiculed for the rest of my life, and that's that Italian-American love.
Chef Stephen, we loved this dish. It's delicious.
We really want you to beat him just so he's a little less smug.
I completely understand, and I'm on board.
Okay, all right. I think we got a great team here.
All right, Steve, great job. I'm not surprised. I've been a fan of your food for a long time. We've been friends for, I don't know, 20 years or something like that.
Or more.
20 or something. Anyway, what's your signature dish tonight?
My signature dish is a patty melt.
What? I have never seen anything closely resembling a patty melt that's come out of your kitchen.
Ted and I would love nothing more than to judge this next round. But of course, Bobby won't let us.
We're going to bring in 3 industry experts for a blind taste test. And your 45 minutes starts right now.
I lay cooked eggplant, some caramelized onion, and a lamb patty. So I have my sandwiches.
Steve has opted not to use the Fontina, just the Pecorino. Is that gonna melt right? Steve, did you 86 the Fontina?
It's a very, very good question.
Oh,
Thanks for reminding me.
well, I am on your team, sir.
Shred for your life, Steve. Shred for your life, baby.
I need to get these things assembled. So I start with a slice of bread, and then some of the queso sauce, poblano chili, the beef patty, and then some pickled red onions.
Sizzling it up, Steven. Looking good over there, baby.
There's no time to waste.
my God.
17 seconds on the clock.
Wow.
All right,
Are the plates
Check it out,
done?
Bobby's stacking them up.
Bobby.
Ladies and gentlemen, we gotta count this down. 10,
9, 8,
7, 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. God.
Bobby, Stephen, we would like to introduce you to your judges.
The author of Grill Fire, Lex Taylor.
Cookbook author Raquel Pelzel.
Chef of Starry Kitchen, Win Tran. Oh, yeah.
Today's challenge was patty melt. Please start with the plates in front of you.
I love how classic the presentation is. The crispiness of the bread is really lovely, and the lamb tastes really clean. It's not over-seasoned, but the eggplant got kind of lost.
I mean, it's definitely a big, greasy, fun thing to eat. I love the bread. It's really crunchy. Pairs really well with that rich lamb and the cheese. I would have liked more onions. I think there needs like a little more of a sweet component to it.
I like how it looks, so I just want to dive into it and just take a big bite out of it. Sometimes lamb is too gamey for me, and it's not gamey, which I think is amazing, but I thought the cheese could be more melty.
Please swap your plates.
I love the pickled red onions. I thought it added like this really nice fresh sharpness. I like the heat that the poblano delivered, but it was a little flaccid off the edge, like kind of just hanging out over there.
I thought it was a double-decker, so I was actually super excited. I love roasted peppers. It makes a huge difference in terms of flavor. I do love this kind of bread. The only thing about it is that it sinks in, so then the ratio of bread to meat lowers.
The beef in this one is really well done, definitely got a good texture. And I think that that's super important because I think the bread was lacking a little bit on the texture.
It sounds as if this is going to be a tough decision, but you have to make a choice.
We both took risks that actually paid off making our patty melts better. But no matter who wins, the other one's gonna be hearing about this for the next 20 years.
The winner of Beat Bobby Flay, Battle Patty Melt is... Chef Stephen!
This is great. Now, each time I see him, I will just remind him what occurred here. Nothing better than some bragging rights.